Hi, this is Jim Sackman, your Focal Point Business Coach, and this is a number of our Success Friday videos. In this case, we're talking about building your team. And as you know, last time we talked about why you would need to build a team. And one of the things that usually comes up, especially for small business owners, is they're not exactly sure where to start. So that's where we're going to start this week is where do you start in building your team? And one of the things that I think is most misunderstood about building your team is that it's about clarity. And the first thing I want to talk to a small business owner about is, do they know what their company stands for? Do they know how they want their people to make decisions? Every day, employees make decisions, make choices between things that they could do to work on a project or to deliver a service or to interact with a customer, and the employer is not there. If you're not there to manage them, then they're making these decisions on their own. And what you want them to do is enhance your brand and act as you would. But if you can't effectively tell them how to do that, to know what parameters to build into the choices that they make, then they're not going to act as you want. So it's extraordinarily important that the very first thing before you hire anybody is that you're clear on what you want out of the business, how you want people to act, what you want to stand for, and that you can communicate it to people. Now, they're not always going to do what you want, but if you don't tell them, then you're going to get what you get, and that's not an acceptable situation. And what's the other thing? And it is diversity is the key. So as we talked about with clarity, that's really understanding the business and what's key to the business. And diversity is the key to success in terms of personal understanding. And it's really, especially for the first employee, all about you and what your strengths and weaknesses are. So you have to recognize your strengths and acknowledge your weaknesses and find people to complement you. One of the huge mistakes that I see that made on an ongoing basis in large companies and small is people hire people just like them. And what does that do? It means that all the good things you do are enhanced, but all the bad things you do are enhanced as well. And none of us are perfect. All of us have strengths and weaknesses. And what we really want to do is find those people that complement what we do. So if you're an extremely aggressive person who likes to go after it, then find somebody that's a bit softer. If you're really good on the technical aspects of your job, find somebody that's good about the administration aspects of the job. So think about that when you're hiring people is tell people what you want in your business and find people that complement what you do so that as a team, you're stronger than just the two, each of you as individuals. So that's today's video. Thank you. Jim Sackman, change your business, change your life.